Good morning students. Class 8 chapter 3 exercise 3.2. In the exercise we have already done exercise 3.1 and we study in a polygon sum of all exterior angles is 360 degree. Now question number 1. We study B part. Figure is already given in which 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. These 5 angles are exterior angles and we have to calculate value of x. We know that in a polygon sum of all exterior angles is equal to 360 degree. So sum of these angles is equal to 360 degree. After calculation x equal to 50 degree. Now question number 2. Find the measure of each exterior angle of a regular polygon. Regular polygon, a polygon which is equiangular and equilateral. जो इक्विएंगुलर एंड इक्विलेटरल यानी कि इसके सारे एंगल बराबर होंगे और सारी साइड इक्वल होंगी. सो इन अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन, बिकॉज इट इज रेगुलर पॉलीगन, सो इट्स ऑल एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स आर इक्वल. क्योंकि रेगुलर पॉलीगन से सारे एक्सटीरियर एंगल्स क्या होंगे? इक्वल होंगे. And we let number of sides is equal to n. So n multiply, sorry, number 15 दे रखी है ना, नंबर ऑफ साइड इक्वल टू क्या दे रखी है? 15. Let each exterior angle is equal to x degree. So 15 multiply x degree is equal to 360 degree. तो x is equal to 360 upon 15 and the value is 15 to the 30 and 60, 15 for the 60. तो answer is 24 degree. Third question, how many sides does a regular polygon have if the measure of an exterior angle is 24 degree? I hope it is the converse of question number 2. Exterior angle 24 degree, so number of sides equal to 15 degree. Working, let number of sides is equal to n. And each exterior angle is equal to 24 degree. So n multiply 24 degree is equal to 360 degree. So n is equal to 360 degree upon 24 degree. Answer is 15. So we can say that question number 3 is converse of question number 2. Question number 4. How many sides does a regular polygon have if each of its interior angle is 165 degree? Regular polygon same वही condition. A polygon in which all angles and all sides are equal. Solution, let number of sides is equal to n. And we know that sum of all interior angles is equal to n minus 2 multiply 180 degree. So n multiply 165 is equal to n minus 2 into 180 degree. Because each interior angle is 165 degrees, so if multiply by n, then we get sum of all interior angle and it is also sum of all interior angles. So both can be equal. Now calculate it. 15 n equal to 360 degree. So n is equal to 360 degree upon 15. So answer is 24. So a polygon contains 24 sides. I hope question number 2, 3 and 4 similar. Values approx like. Okay. Now note down it. Okay students, now we have to do question number 5. In the question number 5, two parts are considered. In the first part, is it possible that each exterior angle of a regular polygon is 22 degree? इट्स मीन वही कंसिडर करना चाह रहा है कि एक रेगुलर पॉलीगन का एक्सटीरियर एंगल 22 डिग्री का हो सकता है या नहीं. सॉल्यूशन, वी सपोज दैट ईच एक्सटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन इज 22 डिग्री. हमने सपोज कर लिया कि ये पॉसिबल है. Because it is a polygon, so number of side may be any number, तो let number of side equal to n. Because it is a regular polygon, so each exterior angle is equal. So sum of each exterior angle equal to 22 multiply n, and we know that it is also 360 degree. So both are equal. Then n equal to 180 upon 11, which is not a natural number. Note, number of sides in a polygon is a natural number greater than or equal to 3. किसी भी पॉलीगन में साइड्स की काउंटिंग हमेशा नेचुरल नंबर्स होगी, जो कि या तो 3 हो सकती है कम से कम, या फिर 3 से ज़्यादा हो सकती है. और जो इसको सेटिस्फाई नहीं कर रहा है, सो ऑप्शन मतलब पार्ट ए इज नॉट पॉसिबल. पार्ट बी, इज इट पॉसिबल दैट ईच इंटीरियर एंगल ऑफ अ रेगुलर पॉलीगन इज 22 डिग्री? Again we suppose that it is possible. Number of side n, because it is a regular polygon, so each interior angle again equal, so sum of all interior angles equal to 22n, and we know that sum of all interior angles equal to n minus 2 into 180, so both are equal. Calculate, find out n. Again, is it not a whole natural number? So this condition is also not possible. I hope you understand. Note down it. Okay students, now we have to do question number 6, last question of the exercise. Two parts are considered. What is the minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon? किसी भी रेगुलर पॉलीगन में सबसे छोटा इंटीरियर एंगल कितने डिग्री का पॉसिबल है? सॉल्यूशन, वी नो दैट इन अ पॉलीगन नंबर ऑफ साइड इज अ नेचुरल नंबर ग्रेटर देन और इक्वल टू 3. दिस नोट वी हैव ऑलरेडी कंसिडर इन द प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन, कि किसी भी पॉलीगन में साइड्स की काउंटिंग या तो कम से कम 3 होगी या 3 से ज्यादा होगी, वो भी एक नेचुरल नंबर. इट्स मीन मिनिमम नंबर ऑफ साइड्स इक्वल टू 3. And we let minimum interior angle of a regular polygon is x. Because it is a regular polygon, so each interior angle is equal. So 3 multiply x represents sum of all interior angles, and it is also a formula n minus 2 into 180 degree. After calculation we get x equal to 60 degree. So it is a minimum interior angle possible for a regular polygon. B part, what is the maximum exterior angle possible for a regular polygon? We suppose it is a y degree, because minimum interior angle equal to 60 degree, and we know that exterior और interior दोनों का सम कितना होता है 180 degree. So after calculation y is equal to 120 degree. I hope you understand. Note down it. And in the next video we consider a special topic, family of quadrilateral, in which we study parallelogram, rhombus, rectangle and so on. Okay, note down it and thank you very much.